Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about control board for Manitowoc part number 400020007. The control board for Manitowoc part number 0400020007 is a replacement part for Manitowoc ice machines. It is responsible for controlling the operation of the machine, including the ice-making process, water level control, and other functions. The board contains a microprocessor that monitors and controls all of the components in the machine. It also includes a display that shows the current status of the machine and any errors that may have occurred. The board also has several inputs and outputs to allow it to communicate with other components in the system. This part fixes the following symptoms. The control board for Manitowoc part number 0400020007 is designed to replace the existing control board in Manitowoc ice machines. It is used to fix issues such as ice machine not producing ice, not cycling properly, or displaying error codes. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the ice machine. 2. Remove the old control board by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect all wires from the old control board and remove it from the machine. 4. Install the new control board by connecting all wires to their respective terminals and securing it with screws. 5. Turn on the power to the ice machine and test for proper operation of all components. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.